top story. Doctors told us there would be a rise in COVID-19 cases thanks to Thanksgiving gatherings. Officials say it's arrived a record number of patients being treated at local hospitals. Fox 33's Alexandra Meacham explains how healthcare workers are fed up and the system is at a breaking point.
The phrase, "listen to your doctor," has doctors wondering why people are being so difficult.
You still go to the grocery store and you see that knucklehead that's in there with no mask on, walking around, chest kind of stuck out. You just want to go up to him and go, "Are you crazy?"
Brian Crawford oversees the 4 facilities of Willis-Knighton and says each system, including the hospitals of Christus and Ochsner LSU Health, have a record number of COVID patients. In the 8 days since Thanksgiving, more than 100 patients are critical, and they expect it to get worse. So they plead with the public to stop spreading the virus.
The patients that are from 5 to 95, and those people are up there fighting for their lives with everything they have, and some of them don't make it. Willis-Knighton's always going to be here, and those people are doing everything they can. They're exhausted, they're tired, and all we're asking you to do is put on a mask, is to stay 6 feet away from somebody, is to avoid large social gatherings. It's not a whole lot to ask.
He says hospitals already treat more patients this time of year. Couple that with the COVID record spike and the national nursing shortage.
It is going to be very dark for those with COVID and those facing these challenges, including the healthcare industry, over the next month or so. Before we actually see some light at the end of the tunnel. So we always ask for those precautions, and to some people, it's a very, very small percentage of the population. I think most people do their part for humanity.
He says be strong. The vaccine will arrive, and do not let the virus win another battle. Alexandra Meacham, Fox 33 News.
He cautions people to not go to the emergency room for anything other than an absolute emergency. Hospitals are short-staffed because dozens of doctors and nurses are out with the virus.